Hey everyone, so I'll run you through how to use this Truma Combi Boiler, the control panel over here. So you have one main knob over here which turns, and you have a center dial which you push in to activate, and you also have a back button here. So that first icon you see over there, that's for your cabin heating. So if we turn this on here and select it and go up to 18 degrees, that will heat up your house area, which I'll show you shortly. And this is your hot water heater, so you just basically want to turn that so it's either off 60 degrees or boost. Boost means that it's prioritized over the cabin heating, so your hot water will get hotter faster. So we'll leave that at 60 degrees. I've opened the gas bottle outside. Make sure you open this gas bottle, open it fully before turning on the control panel. So this is the most crucial part, which is the source, the power source here. So whenever you're off grid, make sure you're always on gas and gas only. This mode, mix 1 and mix 2, we'll come back to that in a second. EL1 and EL2, use these two when you're plugged in at a campsite. And just push it in. Campsite, you'll have a plug like this. And plug it in. EL1 means 1 kilowatt of draw from the element, from the hot water element. EL2 is 2 kilowatts, so the full element turns on. Mix 2 and mix 1. So mix 1 is a combination of gas and electric. Mix 2 is a combination of gas and 2 kilowatts of power. So that's what the mixed functions are. So essentially, when you're off grid, make sure you only use gas and gas only. When you're on or grid, or if you're plugged into 240 volts, try and use the EL1 and EL2. And if you need to speed up the process, say if you have a family of 4 using the hot water system, then you can use mix 1 and mix 2. So it uses the combination of gas and electric power to heat up the water, to speed up the process. So like I said, always make sure you're on gas if you're off grid. Otherwise, the problem is if you're on mix 1 or mix 2, you'll get the triangle over here, which you'll see now. That indicates a fault code, and then you just have to reset the system by going back, turning everything off, going back and leaving everything to reset. It takes a couple of minutes. If not, you can always go back if you've thrown up a fault code. So press the back button, center, come down to the spanner icon over here, click that, keep going to the end, and you can do a reset. If you just push that, and that resets the system. So generally, most of the problems occur through the power source, mix 1 and mix 2. If, for example, you're not plugged into power, that's when you'll see the fault code indicator come up here. There's a full manual on these available online if you want to have an in-depth read of it. But essentially, that's what the summary of it is. And finally, for the cabin heating part of this Combi Boiler, once you select this, you can just go to the fan speed over here at the end. So just there. So this is the fan speed. So you can either have it on eco or high speed. And so what happens is you get hot air coming out from all your points in the camper, and that's central heating, and generally it's in the bathroom as well. So here we're in the bathroom, and you can see it's in there as well, so central heating throughout the whole system. Important point, when you're finished using the hot water heater, make sure you always turn it off at the control panel. So turn it off there, turn it off here, and preferably leave this on the mode that you'll likely use on the next trip. So either gas or electric, but essentially just make sure you turn off those two there, and the fan at the very last. Turn that all off before turning off the gas. And now the gas bottle is closed. I hope this video was of some help to you. Do check out my videos. There'll be a link coming up now up here, or the link will be down in the description. I cover a lot of other fault finding videos and a lot of other camper tips, so do check them out. Thanks for watching everyone. See you.